Exponents and the powers rules. So this one in algebra, when we do multiply, see here, x multiplied by x is equal to, when the base is same, we multiply, but the powers are added. So when there is no sign, no power means 1, here. So x multiplied by x is the variable will be x, but the powers are added. So 1 plus 1 is equal to x square. But I will show you some other sums. If a is 2 multiplied by is the power of 5, but how this one we solve? The base is the same, so we can multiply, and even the powers are not same, but we can multiply them, but the powers are added. A multiplied by a is a, and the powers are added, 2 plus 5. So answer is a the power of 7. So this is the rule. When we multiply, the powers are added. Maybe the powers are same, maybe the powers are not same, different, like a the power of 2, a the power of 5 is different, and that powers are added. One more example, another question. Third question is, sometimes we have no numbers, like a the power of m multiplied by a the power of n. So base is the same, we can multiply. Base is the same, a multiplied by a is a, and the powers are added. But here we don't have the numbers. We can't add m and n. How we add them? They are different. So how we add? The answer is m plus n. So here are maybe any numbers, any powers, that one added like that. Another question, like a the power of 2 multiplied a the power of 3 multiplied a the power of 0. When there is a the power of 0, we can't make it 0, but there when there is the the power of 0 means always a the power of 0 means is equal to 1. So this when we solve like that, a square multiplied by a3 multiplied by a the power of 0 means 1. So how we know? A the base is the same, powers are added, 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1. So a the power of 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, multiplied by 1 is equal to a the power of 5. This one will be the same. The answer is like that. If any time there is a power, any power is 0, that means 1. So this is the next rule. And sometimes we have a question like a the power of m divided by a the power of n. In multiply, the powers are added, and when this one is upside down, a is on the top and a is on the bottom. This means multiply. Am multiplied by an. When we divide, when am the power of m over a the power of n means divide. When we divide, the powers are subtracted. So the powers are subtracted. Base is the same. How we solve this? And the powers are subtracted. How we take away these ones? We can't take away n from m. This is not the number. So this is the variable. So we use m minus n. In multiply, powers are added. In division, the powers are subtracted. So this is the another rule. So there is one more. If we have another question, if we have a minus 2, how we solve this? We want to remove this one. We want to change minus 2 into positive 2. How we change this one? This means 1 over a we can change into divide, and the powers will be changed. Minus into positive and positive into negative. So we will change a into 1 over a, and the power negative changed into positive. So we can change a the power of minus 2 like that. 1 over a square or a the power of 2. So one more thing, how we can explain if we have next question, 7th question. If we have a minus 3 multiplied by a 5 and multiplied by a 3. How we solve this one? We have a negative 3 and 2 are positive. So we can solve in a simple way like that. The base is the same, and a, so a multiplied by a is equal to minus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So this one is crossed out, negative and positive, and a5 is the answer. But there is one more method where we can change the minus 3 into positive 3. How we change the minus 3 into positive 3? 1 over a, and 3 is changed into positive, multiplied by a the power of 5 multiplied by a the power of 3. So this one is on the bottom, this one is on the top. So this one we can cross out or we can divide, and a the power of 5 is the answer. So whatever method we use, the answer is the same. So this is the another rule of the powers. There is one more rule how to understand the powers. We have a over power is 6, but this one is in bracket, and outside is the power of 2. How we solve this one? When we will multiply, the powers are added, but if there is a bracket and a the power of 6 is inside and 2 is outside the bracket, then these powers are multiplied. So when we open the bracket, a over 6 multiplied by 2. So the answer is A. 6 times 2 is 12. If there is a bracket sign, we will do like that. If there is no numbers, if there are no numbers, just the variables or the letters, we have A over M bracket and N. So how we solve this? When there is the A the power of M is inside the bracket, this one will multiply with the outside power. So A multiplied by M multiplied by N. So this one will multiply by the outside power. So M multiplied by N. So the answer is A M N. So this is, and in this place there are sometimes the numbers. Like we have another question. There are some numbers. A the power of 6, and there is a the power of 2 outside bracket is A the power of 6. So when we open this bracket, these powers, inside powers, multiply with the outside powers. So A 2 multiplied by 6. So A is equal to power of 12. So sometimes in the place of A, letters in the place of A, there are numbers like 12 bracket. This one another question. 12 is the power of 2 outside the power of 6. How we solve this one? We follow the same formula like that. This one is 12 the power, these inside power multiplied with the outside power, 2, this one is 2 and 6. So the answer is 12 the power of 12. So I hope now you can understand how the powers of the rules are working. Thanks. Subscribe my channel please.